Hi, and welcome to BTMSoft. Here we will show you how to find employees and manage their details. Simply click on Staff, Employees, List. To find an employee, you can use the general search function that will go through visible fields. You can add fields by selecting them here. These fields are automatically added to search function as well. You can also use filters. You can also filter to see all, inactive only, or active only employees. Click New to add an employee. More on this in another video. To verify completed details, click on Staff, Employees, Details Check Report. This is covered in another tutorial.